Hey, y'all make sure y'all communicating. Where we at? Where coach at? Hey, palm. Strong left. Get it, big! Hey! Cuz I ain't gonna lie, they sorry.
Yes, sir, Kobe.
Oh God, they just got jerseys. Wait till we get ours though. Y'all gonna hate me. They ugly. Y'all gonna hate me. They ugly as fuck. They like.
Remember, on Eagle, play it deeper.
Okay.
Instead of being right up on it.
They like them. To get the call, keep your eyes on him and just everybody echo it. He said he gonna wait for them to come out and get theirs because they wasn't on us. 12. Hey, strong right.
Let's go. Let's go.
Damn. I was going for the peak. Damn. Hey, strong left.
Let's go.
Hey, bro. Hey, this is not playing football. Run half field. Get to the 10.
No, the second down. They got the first down. That's the second first down. I ain't bring that.
Let him get them gloves, man. He out here looking like generic.
Hit him, baby. Yes, sir.
Hey, somebody tell him run on field, bro. Hey, dude, run on field with the ball. Stop doing two. Hey, stop turning. We need all our points. Hey, we call them butterfingers. Yeah.
Let's go.
Pick! Oh my God! Cole, why you give up? Huh?
We ain't man, that wasn't my man.
No, not man.
We was in, hey, we in 2.
I thought you said that was 2. He glazing on God. He glazing.
He talking about good.
Glazing on
Hey, 12. Hey, bro, that's a clean little pick if you come swooping like that, man.
Nigga, but it was in the man.
It don't matter. You gave up on the play. Hey, strong left. Damn. Boy, they running pick routes over here. And knock me off. I'm doing a backflip after the game. On God, I'm not. I do one standing here. Just.
Why they call you red?
Bro, you thought that was funny, cuz? Hey, that's a touchdown? Yeah! And just come up to whatever. Check palm.
All the way across, go.
Hey, motion!
Let's go.
Good shit. Look, making up for it. He good? Come on. Yeah. Good game, 14. Good game, coach. No, sir. Hey, number 11 was talking that shit and he dropped the wide open ball. You suck. And you suck.